Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're making this simple but delicious chicken stir fry. All you need is just a few ingredients that I bet you can find in your kitchen. So here's my chicken all diced. This is chicken breast that I used, and these are the seasoning that I'll be using. But go ahead and use any seasoning of your choice. So I'll go ahead to marinate my chicken right there, and I'm not gonna cook this chicken. I'm just going to straight away pour it into a frying pan with a little bit of cooking oil. So I'm gonna let it cook on each side for about 3 to 5 minutes. So these are the vegetables I'll be using. I have some carrots, some bell peppers, and some onions. Again, go ahead and use any vegetables that you're comfortable with. I'm just going to cut them into preferred sizes. Guys, I really know that it's been a long time since I posted any content on this channel. I know, but then trust me that there are a lot of content coming up. I was quite busy for almost a year, but your girl is back and ready to stay. So at this point, I realized that my chicken was too big, so I just went in with my scissors to just dice it and cut it into smaller pieces. At this point, our chicken is fully cooked and ready for the other ingredients. So I'm just going to go ahead with my onion, followed by my other ingredients. Again, there's no formula in cooking chicken stir fry. At least this recipe, everything can go in at any time. So yeah, and literally, guys, your chicken stir fry will be ready to be eaten with rice, whatever. Trust me, this goes with whatever plantain, yam, even as a dish on its own. Now, if you're like me and you love a little bit of spice, you have to add this pepper. I'm not advertising this pepper, but I'm just going ahead with my Kibo hot pepper mix. If they watch this video and they want to sponsor me too, why not? So I'm going ahead with my pepper just to elevate my spice level in my chicken stir fry. And into this carrots, my bell peppers, and we'll just wait for it to cook it for a little bit. Like you want to have that crunchiness of the vegetables in it. So I'm not gonna overcook it, just like a minute or two maximum, and that's it.
Yeah, honestly, you're not under pressure to do what to clean hall.
I'm going to go ahead with the rest of my seasoning, some curry, some Maggi cube, which for whatever reason was not recorded. But then that's the only season I'm going to add to it because my chicken was perfectly seasoned. At this point, I wanted to make my chicken stir fry a little bit thicker. As you can see, it's not really thick. So I went ahead with soy sauce with a little bit of tomato puree just to thicken up the sauce. And I love the consistency that it gave me. And that's about it, guys. The chicken stir fry is ready to be enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.